Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the training mode on Shadow Fight 4. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Shadow Fight 4 account, and if you already log in, you can go to or click the character over here, and then over here you can see the details. Click the details, and then you can see the talents, cost, customize, and how to play. You can choose the how to play, and then you can see the training mode, and then simply click the training, and then you can see, or you can choose the enemy like this. For this example, I choose the fire guard, and then also you can choose the locations, and then also the difficulty. Okay, and if you already done, you can click start to enter the training mode on the Shadow Fight 4. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.